Ford changes the manufacturing industry, the first successful video game is released, and a popular game console goes on sale. It all happened this week in tech history. This week in 1913, Ford Motor Company introduced the first moving assembly line and forever changed the manufacturing industry. Ford's innovation reduced the time it took to build a car from more than 12 hours to 2.5. In 1927 this week, the first Ford Model A was unveiled in New York City's Waldorf Hotel and in 35 other cities around the US, Canada, and Europe. The car was priced affordably. The Phaeton sold for $395 and the Tudor Sedan sold for $495. In 1972 this week, Atari released Pong, the first commercially successful video game. The game was first tested in a California bar. Shortly after installation, the machine began to malfunction. When they went to repair it, they found the problem was the coin mechanism was overflowing. So it was obviously a popular game. This week in 1994, the original PlayStation, developed and marketed by Sony Computer Entertainment, was released in Japan. The PlayStation has gone on to become one of the most popular and widely used game consoles. And this week in 1996, the Mars Pathfinder was launched from Cape Canaveral on a 310 million-mile odyssey to explore the surface of the red planet. It had a remote-controlled 22-pound six-wheel roving vehicle to sample Martian soil and rock and send back data beginning on July 4th of '97. That's our look back at This Week in Tech History, brought to you by IFA in Berlin.
IFA, the Global Innovations Show. Meet the official partner of the future in Berlin.
Hey everyone, Cameron Graveline here. Remember, call in, win stuff. Thank you.
Visit us online at intotomorrow.com where you can find out how to listen to our weekly Into Tomorrow radio show and subscribe to our free podcasts. Catch you next time on This Week in Tech History.